Lessons 4 Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.1 Page number 41. Read the given passage from your lesson. Here I share two Horsley Hills from Pakala. Complete the following words by supplying the missing letters. Share, tomorrow, called, started, shoes, socks, sweater, travel. Read the given passage from your lesson. Here I shared two Horsley Hills from Pakala. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases. Hemant shared a few moments of his trip. They are going to Horsley Hills tomorrow. I got ready with my pretty travel bag. They all got into train and comfortably seated. They hired a car to Horsley Hills from Pakala. Look at the following table and write at least 4 sentences. I quickly had my bath, my dinner, my breakfast, my lunch, my supper. Example, I quickly had my bath. I quickly had my dinner. I quickly had my breakfast. I quickly had my lunch. I quickly had my supper. Lessons 4 Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.2 Page number 42-43. Read the given passage from your lesson. The scenic drive to above the sea level. Unscramble the letters and make meaningful words. Example, Horsley. Exciting, colorful. Climate, passing, covered. Curves, breeze, flowers. Spread. Read the given passage from your lesson. The scenic drive to above the sea level. Now fill in the blanks. The Ghat road has many curves. There are big and tall trees and dense bushes on either side of the road. The cool breeze of hills touched our cheeks soft. The climate was very cool and calm. They all had thrilling experience. Observe the following table and write at least 4 sentences. The climate, the place, the scenery, the clouds, the flowers were very cool and calm, so nice. Passing over us, very beautiful. The climate was very cool and calm. The place was so nice. The clouds were passing over us. The scenery was so nice. The flowers were very beautiful. For Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.3 Page number 44-45 Read the given passage from your lesson. Soon after to Bengali to English. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Number 1. Visited Rocky Eastern Glories. Answer Eastern Glories Rocky visited. Number 2. Attraction Special Crocodiles Herd. Answer Attraction Crocodile Herd Special. Number 3. Sunrise Western View Famous. Answer Famous Sunrise View Western. Fourth one. News Bears Dogs Sambars. Answer Bears Dogs News Sambars. Fifth one. Leopard Panther Tiger appear. Answer Appear Leopard Panther Tiger. Read the given passage from your lesson. Soon after Bengali to English. Write the names of wild animals. Wild animals. Bears, tigers, wild dogs, panthers, leopard, crocodiles. Look at the following table and write at least 5 sentences. My father, my mother, my uncle, my sister, my brother took us to the nearest historical town, to the nearest park, to the nearest fields, to the nearest seashore, to the nearest river bank, to the nearest library. Example, my father took us to the nearest historical town. My mother took us to the nearest park. My uncle took us to the nearest fields. My sister took us to the nearest seashore. My brother took us to the nearest river bank. My father took us to the nearest library. Lessons 4 Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.4 Page number 46-47 Read the given passage from your lesson and at this a beautiful place. Write the plurals from the following words. Singular, plural. Friend, friends. Place, places. Hill, hills. Parent, parents. Sister, sisters. Read the given passage from your lesson and this to a beautiful place. Now fill in the blanks. Mrs. Margaret Cousins, a British woman, composed a tune for our national anthem. Janaganamana was first sung at a country yard in Madanapalli. They came back home with a lot of memories. The trip gave Hemant everlasting memories. This is Hemant's wonderful trip to Horsley Hills. Look at the following table and write at least 4 sentences. This is my wonderful trip to Horsley Hills, my beautiful car, my brother Shiva, my pet dog Pinky, my English textbook. This is my wonderful trip to Horsley Hills. This is my beautiful car. This is my brother Shiva. This is my pet dog Pinky. This is my English textbook. Add full to the given words to form meaningful words and write them in the space given. Wonder, color, joy, peace, power, faith. Full. Wonderful, colorful, joyful, peaceful, powerful, faithful. Problems for Workbook. Unit 3, A Trip of Memories. Worksheet 3.5, page number 48. Reading comprehension. Read the following passage carefully. We also heard interesting news about wild animals like bears, dogs, sambas, leopards, panthers and tigers which appear occasionally. Then my father took us to the nearest historical town named Madanapalli, where Rabindranath Tagore translated Janagana Mana, our national anthem, from Bengali to English. And at this very place, Mrs. Margaret Cousins, a British woman, composed a tune for our national anthem. Janagana Mana was first sung at a country yard in Madanapalli. Next morning, we came back home with a lot of memories. Now, answer the following questions. What was the interesting news they heard? They heard interesting news about wild animals. Name some wild animals mentioned in the passage. Bears, dogs, sambas, leopards, panthers and tigers. Where did his father took Hemant? Nearest historical town named Madanapalli. Why is Madanapalli called a historical town? Here, Rabindranath Tagore translated Janagana Mana. Who is Mrs. Margaret Cousins? Mrs. Margaret Cousins was a British woman. Workbook. Unit 3, A Trip of Memories. Worksheet 3.6, page number 49. Fill in the blanks with suitable words in the following. Use help box. Colorful, mesmerizing, cool, covered. A fresh and cool breeze welcomed us into Andhra Ooty. When we got down from the car, the mesmerizing scenery welcomed us. The whole area was covered with green trees and colorful flowers. Cool, mesmerizing, covered, colorful. Match the words with suitable synonyms. Rush, happy, early, quick, comfort, bush. Joyful is fast, shrub, initially, hurry. FAECBD. Add the suffix less or meant to the following base words and make new words. Care, help, sleep, move, excite, commit. Careless, helpless, sleepless, movement, excitement, commitment. Lessons 4 Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.7 page number 50. Read the sentences, circle the adjectives. There is a long queue at the counter. The little girl is crying for mother. There are colorful flowers in the garden. Qasim is a karate fighter. The adjectives are long, little, colorful, karate. Match the describing words under column A with the naming words in column B to make a meaningful expression. Sweet, delicious, round, cool, soft. Meal, ball, climate, skin, mango. EABCD Sweet mango, delicious meal, round ball, cool climate, soft skin. Use the adjectives from the word box to complete the sentences. Difficult, new, heavy, musical, helpful. First one, Razu could not lift the heavy box. Second one, my mother advised is helpful. Third one, we played the musical chairs game as part of Republic Day celebrations. Fourth one, my uncle bought me 5 new dresses. Fifth one, the coconut tree is so tall it is difficult to climb. For workbook. Unit 3, A Trip of Memories. Worksheet 3.8, page number 51. Rewrite the following sentences using correct punctuation marks. A full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. How old are you? How tall he is? I live in Vijayawada. What a nice girl she is. Which class are you studying in? I want to become a doctor. How old are you? How tall he is? I live in Vijayawada. What a nice girl she is. Which class are you studying? I want to become a doctor. Read the following and punctuate the sentences correctly. How is the weather in Horsley Hills? Asked Harsha. How is the weather in Horsley Hills? Question mark. Asked Harsha. Full stop. It's really wonderful. We all enjoyed a fresh and cool breeze there. It's really wonderful. Full stop. We all enjoyed fresh and cool breeze there. Full stop. Blossoms 4 Workbook Unit 3 A Trip of Memories Worksheet 3.9 page number 50-53 Reading Comprehension Read the following passage carefully. Dindi is one of the lesser known and unexplored places in Andhra Pradesh located in the lap of the Godavari river. It is famous for the backwaters of Andhra Pradesh. The place seems to be the best kept secret of Andhra Pradesh with all its rustic charm, serene backwaters, vast lakes and palm-fringed canals. Dindi is a perfect weekend destination with full of natural wonders. It has the option of a housing boat for tourists. There are also some adventurous activities like jet ski ride and rope walking. Which is the unexplored place according to the passage? Second one, mention any one remarkable thing about Dindi. Third one, how is the beauty of Dindi explained? Fourth one, have you ever visited this kind of place? Fifth one, name the two adventurous activities mentioned in the above passage. First one answer is Dindi. Second one answer is it is famous for the backwaters of Andhra Pradesh. Third one answer is serene backwaters, vast lakes and palm-fringed canals. Fourth one answer no, I did not visited or yes, I visited. Fifth one answer jet ski ride and rope walking. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Name the means of transport used by Hemant's family to reach Horsley Hills. Hemant's family went to Vijayawada railway station by auto. They reached Pakala railway station by train. They hired a car to Horsley Hills from Pakala. What is the reason for the cool weather of Horsley Hills? Guess. Horsley Hills is located on the hill station, so the climate is cool. Why is Horsley Hills called the Ooty of Andhra Pradesh? The whole area of Horsley Hills is covered with green trees and colorful flowers. The climate was very cool and calm. What are the places that the family visited during their trip? They visited a big slope called Galibanda. They moved to the eastern and western viewpoints, which are famous for sunrise and sunset. They watched a variety of birds and animals in the mini zoo. What is the importance of Madanapalli with regard to our national anthem? In Madanapalli, Rabindranath Tagore translated Janaganamana, our national anthem, from Bengali to English, and at this place, Mrs. Margaret Cousins, a British woman, composed a tune for our national anthem.